and I took for class 10 students to math lab. First class, I taught polynomials in problem solving method and explanation method, and the students also understood the concept. But when I took before teaching the chapter coordinate geometry, I took them to lab, and I used Cartesian board, and I used rubber bands and square tiles, and then I taught coordinate geometry fully by using the concrete objects only. Then students are learning more than that of the abstract method. They are very easily understand from concrete to abstract method. It helps them to connect the concept to the real life situations. And they are also connecting all the topics. Polynomials also includes this Cartesian board, quadratic equations also, pair of equations also. All these concepts they are connecting to the real life. So they are easily solving. In the intersecting lines also they are using Cartesian board, and they are solving like anything. But when I thought in abstract way, they are unable to connect into the concrete life, so they are not able to see that concept. They are imagining something, but they are not getting.
But
After doing activity, that they are easily connecting to the real life, like arithmetic progression also. I suddenly written the SN formula and I derived it. But that is only deductive method. So in that deductive process they're unable to calculate. When I use the square tiles, I explain it, you will get the sum of the SN formula, you will get like sum of n terms formula, you will derive like this by using these objects. Then they are connected it very easily. And then now everyone knows that SN formula and AN formula, every all class 10 students. And everything is now there. If we connect the concept to these concrete objects, then very easy to remember for students also, and for their help, it will help them to connect to the outside the world.
Once this particular concept is clear,
Yes.
are they able to do their problems in their textbooks on their own with the support of you?
Yes, sir. For example, pair of linear equation, I thought for intersecting lines and coincident lines. Then thereafter, they're almost all 5 marks questions they are doing very easily.
Wonderful.
Then
wonderful.
it is very useful. And then also this arithmetic progression also, sir, SN formula. Now they are writing at least formula. Those students, those are underachievers also, at least writing the SN formula, because by the concrete objects they learn the formula, how can we derive the formula. So at least they are writing the formula for underachievers. For excellent students there is nothing to say, sir. They will excel in the topic.
Right.
So underachievers also it will helpful to connect the concepts.
And as a teacher, what is your feeling like as a math lab? Is it really useful?
Really useful, sir. When we will use from concrete objects to abstract concept, then it will be very helpful. If we derive from the deductive method, it is very difficult.
It's very difficult for a teacher to teach and explain also.
Yes, sir.
But this way it is very easy to teach.
Sir. We can move from inductive method to deductive method.
Yes.
So if we follow the deductive method, they can't analyze that type of the concept easily.
Yes.
So if we go from the inductive method, it is very helpful for students elementary education. For we should follow only concrete to abstract as well as inductive to deductive. So it will be benefits, sir.
Thanks a lot for your great feedback.